Hi guys, look what we got for you again today. We've got the Ford Mustang 1967 Coupe 289, huge specification on this car. We bought this car back in California a few years ago off the second owner. It only had two owners from new in California, and the second owner was an aircraft engineer who'd done a lot of the work himself and done it really, really well. Done it superbly. The interior, the engine, electrics, the whole thing has all been upgraded. So it really is a special car. We sold it to a client, must be about 3 years ago, something like that. He's thoroughly enjoyed it, but he's emigrating, so unfortunately it has to go. So we're lucky enough to have this car back into stock. I'm absolutely delighted to have it, in fairness, because it really is a top spec car and something that I'm sure you'd like to look at. So here we go. It's in the metallic candy apple red, which is obviously one of the most famous colours for a Mustang. And as you can see, with the chrome and this red, it looks absolutely gorgeous. It really is a very, very deep red as well. It really has been painted superbly. And as I say, this guy had literally restored the whole thing. So all the chrome is beautiful. As you can come around here, it's got these lovely American racing sort of chrome wheels, alloy chrome wheels with the lovely BF Goodrich tyres. All the tyres are pretty much like new, but absolutely stunning example. Again, a lovely Mustang signature here with the beautiful badge, chrome all along the bottom. It's got the lovely wing mirrors, chrome wing mirrors, and again, as I said to you, quite a few of these things, these are where they always pit, but this car being a Californian car, the chrome is in absolute beautiful shape. It's got the vinyl roof on it, which I personally love. It's a great thing to have. It's very much of its era in the 60s, but just have a look at it. It's got the chrome all the way down here, beautiful chrome door handle, all in top condition, all the way through. As you can see, stunning car. All the body panels fit beautifully. And if you can come around the background, you can see here it's got the lovely chrome bumpers. It's got the scalloped in side to it with all the lovely chrome rear lights. Again, chrome along here, the lovely Mustang sign again. Really beautiful looking back to these 67s, they really have. So this car has got a lot of extras. It's got disc brakes, power disc brakes. It's got air conditioning, which has all been upgraded to modern air conditioning. So even though it looks old, I'll show you that in a minute, it is actually modern. It's got power steering as well. So let's have a look inside and we can show you a beautiful job he's done to the interior. So here we are, beautiful interior on this car for a 67. It really is lovely. I mean, it's got the deluxe interior, so you can see it's got the sort of the chrome stainless steel look to it on the door panels and sort of this louvered area here. You've also got courtesy lights in the bottom of the doors, which is lovely as well. So, and all across the dashboard, it's been done, as you can see in the similar sort of scenario. It's had all the upgrade to the digital clocks and readouts, which really is pretty in that sort of that fluorescent blue colour, which is absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. Again, it's got the centre console here. It's had the upgrade of electric windows. It's got electric central locking and rear boot release is all done electrically as well. So you spent a lot of money on this, but he's kept original things like the steering wheel, which is lovely. You can see the steering wheel is an original 67 steering wheel, which is lovely with the big hooter on here. And again, all the headlining is lovely. You've got a center console up here as well, roof console, which has got the map lights in, which you can, if I pick those on, you can see that the light, you've got the map light there showing on my hand, which is nice. Again, center console here. You've got the little garage door here, so you can put your knickknacks in there, and there's your gearbox. But all the seats are in a lovely condition. In the back, it's all beautiful. It's got lap belts in the back, so they're already fitted, the lap belts. So should you have people that want to go with you and have a bit of fun, the lap belts are already there. And that's really it in here. It's a really good looking, very pretty car that someone spent a lot of money. But let's have a look underneath the bonnet and we can show you all the upgrades it's had there as well. These bonnets on the 67, 68 models have these lovely ducts in here where you can literally see, I don't know if you're picking it up, Grant, but you can see the indicator which flashes, which I think is just a lovely thing to have had, and in its day would have been another option to buy the slightly better bonnet. But I think it's just a great thing. Nowadays you'd never have anything put on to a car like that. But let's have a look underneath the bonnet as well. So underneath here we've got quite a few bits and pieces that have been done to it. As I say, it's got the air conditioning, which is a lovely extra to have, and it is the modern air conditioning as well. So that's all set up. You've got the power steering set up in here as well, so that's all good. modern power steering. It's all been rebuilt. It's got brakes at the disc brakes at the front with the servo assistance. That's all been done. The engine's been rebuilt. It's got the hooker headers on it, so it's got that lovely sound, big bore exhaust. It's really got that bob 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 burble to it, which I'm sure you'll hear shortly. Aluminium rad. So it ticks all the boxes under here of all the extras you'd want. So you've got the power steering, you've got the air conditioning, you've got the brakes. It's a very solid car. It's been in California all its life. And just a very, very good example of a 67 coupe rather than fastback, sorry. And it's just a great car to have and own, and it's won some prizes, and I'm sure it'll win plenty more. So if you fancy coming down and taking a real treat to drive, this could be one for you.